What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a true American classic, the 1950 Mercury 8 Coupe. But not just any Mercury, this one has been reimagined for 2026, keeping the timeless soul of the original while blending it with modern craftsmanship and power. And this stunning red coupe right here. It's more than just a car, it's a piece of history reborn. So, buckle up as we explore its design, interior luxury, performance, and what it's going to cost you to own one of these rolling legends. Exterior. The moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Mercury 8 Coupe, it's pure nostalgia wrapped in modern flair. That long, low-slung body with smooth curves and chrome detailing screams 1950s cool. But now, it's sharper, sleeker, and even more aerodynamic. The bright red paint glows under the sun, perfectly complemented by the wide grille and those signature round headlights that pay homage to the original design. Mercury has given this classic coupe a 21st century makeover with LED lighting, modern alloys, and flush-mounted door handles. The result is a design that captures the spirit of old-school American cruisers, yet looks perfectly at home in the modern era. Step inside, and you're instantly greeted by a blend of retro charm and futuristic sophistication. The cabin keeps that classic two-tone leather theme, soft cream seats contrasted with deep red stitching. The dashboard still carries the rounded vintage style, but it's now filled with digital magic, a large touchscreen display, wireless connectivity, and a fully digital driver cluster. The steering wheel has that classic thin-spoke design but with integrated controls. Chrome trim lines the air vents and door handles, giving it that perfect mix of shine and style. The seats are plush, supportive, and heated, designed for both comfort and cruising. You'll even find modern touches like ambient lighting, a premium sound system, and climate control that make every ride a mix of past and future luxury. Performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercury 8 Coupe doesn't just look the part, it performs like a modern-day muscle car. Mercury gives buyers two options, a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 or an all-electric setup delivering over 450 horsepower. The gas version brings that deep, throaty growl you'd expect from a classic, while the EV version offers instant torque and whisper-quiet power. Acceleration from 0 to 60 comes in just under 4.5 seconds, and handling is tight with adaptive suspension keeping the ride smooth and composed. Rear-wheel drive keeps that old-school driving feel alive, but modern traction and stability systems ensure full control on any road. Price. Now, here's the real question, what does all this retro-modern magic cost? The 2026 Mercury 8 Coupe starts around $85,000 for the V6 model and goes up to about $105,000 for the electric variant. It's not cheap, but considering you're getting a perfect blend of nostalgia, craftsmanship, and modern engineering, it's a dream machine for collectors and classic car lovers alike. So there you have it, the reborn 1950 Mercury 8 Coupe, a stunning red icon that bridges the gap between past and future. If you love classic American style with a modern twist, this car deserves a spot on your wish list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on more classic meets modern car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.